today. Hi guys, today we are playing a game called Do Not Press the Button 7 and a tsunami is about to come. So I need to get up there before the tsunami catches me. Okay, dramatic music. Luckily I didn't die. Busy starting the video. Oh, what is that? Among Us. Okay. I think the others might know what is this. So I don't think you have to do anything. Whoa. Get to the top to collect the item. I think the item's not gonna be good. Come on. I fell. Get to the top to collect the item. Great, now I lost that too. Watch out for the rock. Oh. Bossy. Well, they could have said before, don't fall. Okay. Whoa. Okay, I hope my one doesn't get chosen. I think it's starting to affect me. Hope you won't get me. Yeah, looks like he isn't going to get me. Okay. What? Okay, down starting. It's car parking with it. Why not driving? Whoa, this thing is cool. I think it's my favorite button thingy so far. One that's positive. Beware of the tsunami. Come on, tsunami again. Is the tsunami even going to come? Okay, yes, there is a tsunami. No cap. Okay guys, so this is the last disaster we're going to play, and then after this we're going to planet Earth. Looks like the earthquake is the last one for me. Whoa. I can't even go up. Okay. Like it's RIP for me. Okay. Okay, so bye. That's the video over. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. So bye and RIP.